In its filing, the U.S. Attorney urged District Court Judge Francis Tadinko Gatewood to adopt the Gershman, Brickner, and Bratton plan, which calls for a transition of authority by December of 2017. But Attorney General Liz Barrett Anderson says her client, GovGuam, is ready to take over by October of this year.
What we would like the court to consider is to allow the Guam Solid Waste Board to hire a general manager so that that general manager can start and begin the work and the task, the tedious task, of transitioning from the work of the receiver back to the government of Guam.
In opposing the request, the U.S. Attorney points out that GovGuam has sought twice before to replace the receiver in June 2013 and February 2014, but each time they were rejected by Judge Gatewood. GovGuam has also proposed a new financial plan to pay for an estimated $40 million in additional projects and post-closure care at the former ORDOT dump. It calls in part for the refunding of the 2009 bonds that paid for the landfill, which will save about $12 million.
Not only did they work with the governor's financial team, but also bond counsel. And the plan that is developed in there is a cost savings plan. And if the court accepts that, it will work. It will work.
But the U.S. Attorney describes the plan as an empty assurance that assumes a lot, including that the projected savings will in fact be directed toward the projects and dump post-closure. But the bottom line for the AG is that while she appreciates the receiver's work, it's time, she says, to get landfill operations back in local hands.
The members of the Guam Solid Waste Board are extraordinary, and they want to work. And they want to begin the transition from the receiver back to the government of Guam. And I'm very confident that this board can do it.
For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor Lecanto.